So I got my campfire going, y'all. If y'all not subscribed to the other channel, Nomadic Therapy, please subscribe. I'm over there live now. And we're doing the campfire tonight. So they'll get to experience this fire all night long, however long it burns. So y'all come on down. Campfire in the desert, y'all. The sun has set. Mountains and hills all around. In the desert all alone. And there's the town lights. So I am going to sit and enjoy my campfire tonight. I didn't think to buy some wieners or something that I could cook on the campfire. Man, that's a waste of fire, y'all. I'm not cooking anything on it. Oh my goodness. But I just want to sit around the fire. That's all I want to do. Just see the reflection of the fire. I built this fire pit myself today. I think I did a pretty good job. Ooh, that feels good. Ooh, that feels good. That feels good. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting my food prepping tonight. I'm just going to start with the beef patties. And this is what I'm also going to eat for dinner. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. Y'all, I am food prepping today for my carnivore diet. Right now, I'm getting ready to cook some shrimp and onions. So I'm sauteing my onions in bacon grease. And I will be back when I get ready to saute the shrimp. Now, y'all, I'm rinsing off my shrimp. They're frozen. Okay, y'all, I just added the shrimp in with the onions. I'm sauteing on a low fire. I could raise my fire up a little more, but this is where I have it. I might raise the fire on this end a little more. It seems like this end over here takes a little longer to cook. So I'm gonna do that. So, y'all, I got my food prepping container for just 2 sets of shrimp. I think that's gonna be enough to put that in there. I'm gonna eat some right now, but I'm gonna fill these up, and I don't have to, when I warm them up, I don't have to warm the whole thing up. I could just take some out and warm it up. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So y'all, I am food prepping today. The first thing on the menu is sauteed shrimp and onions. So those are over there cooking. I'm gonna eat some of these as soon as they cook too. And I got my 2 containers. I'm gonna fill these up. And when I get ready to warm up some shrimp, I don't have to warm up the whole container because I'll probably be eating other meat with it as well. So I'll just take a little of the shrimp and a little of the other meat and warm it up. But hopefully it'll just take 2 containers to contain those shrimp over there. And plus I'm about to eat some now too. So yeah, I just want to show y'all the progress of what I'm doing today. So you guys, here are my shrimp. These are the ones I'm going to let me get that fly up out of here. These are the ones that I'm going to food prep, and these are the ones I'm gonna eat now. So yeah, I have a fly in here, and I'm about to put the top over my food and let it cool off before I put it in the refrigerator. Yeah. So yeah, I bought this bag of salmon, frozen salmon from Walmart. because the last time I bought some fish here in Nevada, I had a whole issue with it. So somebody told me it's best to buy their fish in the desert frozen. So I got salmon, and they were all individually wrapped like this, and it was different sizes in a bag. So there are 8 pieces in a bag, and it was $14.32. This is what I'm going to be food prepping with as well. So I just took everything out of the bag, and I'm going to let this thaw out. I might go take it outside and put it on my chair in the sun. Since it's individually wrapped in plastic bags, I don't have to worry about no flies flying on my meat. But we could throw it out really quickly. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh y'all, I don't know if I showed y'all the bag, but this is how the bag looks. Great value pink salmon skin on fillets. That's how that looks. Okay y'all, now in my food prepping, I'm getting ready to cook my bacon. I have a big pack, so it's probably going to be 3 skillet sizes of bacon to cook today. Okay y'all, the second batch of bacon is sizzling. I already got one batch over here cooked. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So we're gonna have one more batch after this one, and we'll be through with the bacon. Moving on next to my salmon, I'm gonna rinse it off. I have some bottled water here. I'm gonna pour that in there and save a little for me to drink. And then I have my bacon grease over here, skillet already hot and warm from cooking the bacon. I'm gonna season this up real good, and then we're gonna put that up on that fire and cook. Okay y'all, I don't know if I had showed y'all the salmon, but I have it turned over on the other side, cooking in bacon grease. And it's almost done. This is 8 pieces of salmon, great value, wild caught. And so we have 8 pieces for $14.something from Walmart. So we're gonna see how this turn out. That's that grease popping, y'all. So y'all, that is how the salmon is looking. That is 8 pieces in one container. So if you want to know, if you want to get some of that salmon from Walmart and cook it and food prep it, it was 8 pieces. I ate one. So now that's 7 pieces up in there, and I think the lid will fit on there just fine. So I could possibly go get some more bags, another bag of this, and cook it. I'm getting ready to cook my liver and onions, and I just got through chopping my onions, slicing and dicing my onions, and now I'm sauteing them, and I'll be putting my liver on in a minute. Hey y'all, so I got the liver on there, and I just turned it over, and they're sauteing, and that is so good. Hey y'all, so that is the liver and onions. Dinner is served, and I'm ready to eat. Okay y'all, I'm getting ready for bed. Before I get ready for bed, I want to talk about me food prepping today for my carnivore diet. So you guys know I've been on the carnivore diet for going on 7 months. I think on the 25th of this month, it will make 7 months that I've been on the carnivore diet. I haven't always done the carnivore diet perfectly. I kind of did go off the carnivore diet a little bit for like a couple of weeks or so, and I wanted to see how my body would accept other foods back into my diet again if I did change my mind. I also wanted to see, like, would it be any difference if I started back eating regular stuff and feeling differently. I just wanted to see how I felt about it. And basically how I felt about switching back up was it was too costly switching back up, eating fast foods and stuff again. My body like kind of got a little constipated, which I never had constipation before, even when I was on a regular diet. But my body, I guess, wasn't accepting that regular food. And so I did experience a little constipation starting back eating regular foods. A couple of times, my stomach, I had cramps really, 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 really bad, like horrific, painful cramps, really bad, eating other foods into my diets. When I went to Cracker Barrel, I'm not sure what it was that did the trick. I don't know if it was the biscuits. I don't know if it was the macaroni and cheese. I'm kind of thinking it probably was the biscuits because I haven't eaten like bread and biscuits and cornbread and stuff like that uh, since I haven't been on the carnivore diet. Even when I was eating other stuff, I still wasn't eating that. So maybe that was too much flour for my body. I mean, I had horrific, horrific cramps. So, uh, for the November birthday bash and the week prior to that, I was eating different things. I was eating peanut brittle and drinking the sparkling apple drink and the sparkling grape drink, and just a lot of things that I really wasn't supposed to be eating on the carnivore diet, but I was still eating plenty of meat. And so now I'm back on the carnivore diet, full fledged. Pretty much not gonna be eating anything that I shouldn't eat. Every now and then, probably to treat myself, I will eat the spring rolls, probably once a month or something like that. Another thing that I noticed being off of the carnivore diet, being on the carnivore diet, my stomach had got really flat. A lot of you guys had noticed that as well, how flat my stomach got on the carnivore diet. But like since I started back eating all of that other stuff, my stomach is huge. So I'm looking forward to my stomach getting back flat again on the carnivore diet. I am looking to start implementing walking, hiking, exercising, and all of that stuff back into my diet or back into my life routine, daily routine. So I did food prep today. I also canned about a month or so ago. I need to can again. And today I'm going to the grocery store, uh, or I am going to go back to the grocery store tomorrow and buy some more food to prep because I have my space up in the freezer that is totally empty, and I'm getting ready to go to another town soon, and the town is going to be small. They're not going to have a Walmart. They're not going to have any big stores. So I might as well food prep and fill my freezer up and the refrigerator so I have enough food for at least 2 to 3 weeks and possibly even can in the near future. If you guys are not subscribed to my other channel, Nomadic Therapy, please subscribe to that channel. I go live over there, and I did go live even though I have inserts in this video of me cooking the meal prep. I actually was live the whole time I did it. So I'll link the video in the description box below if you guys want to see the whole process of me meal prepping. And if you guys have any questions for me on the carnivore diet, on meal prepping, on living in a van, anything like that, let me know. You guys, I live in a van and I have a 4 burner stove. I love cooking. I love eating home cooked meals. However, right now, because I'm on the road and I'm traveling, I'm tired of cooking every single day because it's such a chore cooking in a van, washing dishes, doing while you're cooking, washing dishes after you're cooking. every time I cook, if I cook on a daily basis, then I have dishes to wash every single day. And the task of cooking every single day and the task of washing dishes every single day is taking up so much of my time that I'm not even getting a chance to experience and enjoy me being somewhere else. So I am food prepping, and that food prepping, I'm going to food prep 2 days in a row, and that's going to give me at least 2 to 3 weeks of food, and that should hold me over to where I'm just warming up food and I can get out and go on my hikes and my walks and sightseeing and enjoying the beautiful surroundings that I'm here to partake in, that I'm not getting a chance to see because I'm just cooking, eating, sleeping, and cleaning all day, every day. Which is fine if I just wanted to sit here and just do that, just live and just exist, but I don't want to do that. I want to experience. I want to get out. So I am excited to continue my journey on the carnivore diet. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment bar below about the carnivore diet. I am excited to continue the carnivore diet. I enjoy the carnivore diet, you guys. I'm not doing it for any health reasons or anything like that, but I really, really, really enjoy the carnivore diet. It is very inexpensive opposed to eating the other way, and it takes discipline, and in life you need discipline for everything. So that's all I'm going to share with you guys about me food prepping. I also enjoy food prepping. I also enjoy canning. It's just convenient. It's easy. Saves you a lot of time. If you guys are trying to eat better, eat healthier, and just be able to have time to live life, consider food prepping. If you're a mother, if you're a wife, consider food prepping, consider canning. Even if you're single, consider food prepping, consider canning, because it will make your life so much easier, and it will help you also eat healthier. When you food prep, you are less likely to eat junk food because you're hungry. You could just go warm something up and have a healthy meal anytime, day or night. So that's it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, hit always, and make sure you come back to watch some more videos. If you're not subscribed again to Nomadic Therapy, the information is going to be in the description box below. Please subscribe to that channel as well. That is the behind the scenes channel where I'm going live every single day. And also, again, if you want to support the channel, all my information is in the description box below. My Cash App, my PayPal, my Amazon wish list, and my mailing address. And the best way to support me right now, because I'm on the road, is my Cash App and my PayPal. I will talk to you guys later, and y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye now. He's trying to get out. Look. Uh-oh, he want to become a Vanlife bird. Anybody do Vanlife to have a bird? Running up to me. What does she want? What do you want? Stop! I could sit here all day, you guys. Beautiful. you doing, Vanessa?